Alrighty, here we got a Cat 259 B3 with the 2-speed. Got a nice track there, closed cab. Now we are selling this as a pre-shop special, meaning that we have not taken it through our shop. It's going to need some little details, little knickknacks taken care of. The window has a crack in it. The pins and bushings are a bit loose. This track is good. The other track has a bit of wear but isn't terrible. It's got a cab with heat and air conditioning, 2-speed. But again, we're selling it cheap as is. We have so many machines to work on over there that we're putting some through as pre-shop specials for mechanics or people who want to run them just as they are.